Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. Today we are starting a brand new series. You know what? Command Wizard in FactoryTalk View Studio. In this series, you will learn, you will, you will learn how to use all the command wizard available in FactoryTalk View Studio and where they are used in real project. These command wizard are very important to use, become a expert. One important request to myself, don't break consistency of this series because every command has a specific purpose and understanding. When the when the command when and where to use each command is what separate a beginner from a experienced SCADA developer. We will learn each command one by one with practical example. So let's start. First command, what is equal command? So where you will see this is equal. So database, it is under data and base. So what is equal command? Where can find this command wizard? How does the command work? Where it is in real project SCADA. How can we test in runtime? Let's start step 1 command wizard. Add a push button. There is already push button, so no need to add. And go command action. Click on command. Now command is selected because button property is when you will take a button, so automatically run command will be selected. Here you can write equal to 20 or 20 sp. Sp means set point, right? Or according to your requirement you can enter any other value also. So you can see press action topic जो है उसी topic. So downside you can see three dot, right? How many dot? Three dot. You can use press action or repeat action also you can use. You will see many command category. Click on it here. Where here you can see most recently used, whatever you used recently you can see here. Command and macros, it is all command and macros, there is a mixed, but we will go one by one. So click on system and tag and database. Understand this name is tag and database. Here you can see equal write a resulting from the expression. So what is equal command do? Equal command is used to write a fixed value to a tag. Means if in a simple word, when the operator click the button, FactoryTalk View send predefined value directly to PLC or HMI tag. Real industries, suppose you have a temperature control application. The purpose has fixed operating temperature of 20 degree. Instead of asking operator to manually type the value every time, you can create a button called temperature set point 20. When the operator press the button, the value 20 is automatically written to the set point tag. Right into the set point tag. The process then start operating at predefined set point. Example, how you can configure. Click on three dot and take your tag. So now PLC also is online. PLC means not hardware. I don't have any hardware. So what I have? I have a virtual PLC. Virtual PLC, I think you are also using virtual PLC because hardware is very costly. Don't purchase, right? Okay, minimize it. And this communication, everything is established. If you don't know about these basic things, so you can watch my old videos. It's very easy, not difficult, because I'm also doing, so you can also do, right? So let's next started. Oh, then you can see required value, and then what you have to do, click on here, and you have to browse PLC tag. How you can browse? Let's see. Right click and refresh all folder. Here you should see, here should be so YT. You know YT, what is YT? Do communication between PLC and SCADA. So on this particular topic I was created video. You can go and watch that. That is very easy, not hard. 5 to 10 minutes, right? You will learn basic first. So here you want to enter a set point, so need to check here where you can enter. So this is motor, and example, this motor preset, you want to enter timer value or any other value also you can enter. So click on SCADA, and here click on refresh all folder. You will get what? What you will get? You will get TT set point 20. You can see here TT set point 20. Click on OK. And what is expression? Here you want to write. So here you want to write. You know what? 20, because operator want 20. No manual entry required, right? So click on finish. Okay, so if you want to see the same value it is coming or not, so same value you can browse where apply tag, and where you can browse it is going into destination or not. Click on OK, apply, OK, and save. So where this method can use, this method can use for the process parameters such as temperature transmitter, pressure transmitter, level transmitter, flow transmitter, conductivity transmitter, weight transmitter, and jacket transmitter, any location point. And why this is useful? May operator frequently switch between predefined value like 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree. For example, like you can take a one more what, can copy and paste the same button and numeric input, and like that what you can do, here you can enter 30, simple. So what will happen? 30 value will go, and here you have to enter what, 30, and in the set point you can write 30, right? Click on OK. So 30 set point will go whenever operator will click on the 30. So 30 set point will go, and when they will click on the 40, so 20 set point will go. So according to your requirement, this up appearance and our appearance you can use. Click on save, and instead of typing the value every time, they simply press the corresponding button. Benefit faster operation, favor operation mistake, standardized process setting, right? Easy operation. Let's see in the runtime how it is working. Now save display and open runtime. Before that, I need you need. So now you know what happened. Now let's see it is working or not. And please, always, you know what, always, always you should. Oh my God, something is happening. Okay, later can fix, no problem. Now it is sent. Now what will happen? 20, press what? Press the 20 set point. Now it is set point. You can write this set point. Already explained where you can use temperature, pressure, temperature, pressure. If it is temperature, then it will go for the temperature. You click 20 set point, but it is still not went. Oh my God, you can see in the logic where in you will see in logic, and in logic you can see when you click 20 set point is going inside of logic. So if if operator want to give same temperature 30, so when the operator will click on 30 set point, so 30 value will be sent from SCADA to PLC. So this is very easy method where you can use what, you will immediately see PLC in string input, numeric, you can see here also numeric display, and also you can see in the logic where here string not 20, you can see in logic 30, right? So this process operate using predefined set point. If you want to learn how to create a complete SCADA project from scratch, means basic how to do IO mapping, how to create add-on instruction, how to use UDD concept, that is very important. Without UDD you cannot do programming, because UDD is the first and last UTD is the first and last most important programming concept. How to use parameter file and parameter list, this is also most important, right? How to create a global object, then you can join channel membership. Whether you are a beginner or already working in automation, this tutorial will help you to move from basic programming to advanced industrial SCADA development. Now, know you use equal command, right? Fix value directly from the SCADA to PLC tag, right? If you found this video helpful, so please like the video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to Chaos Automation. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Nice